Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading between you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Okay, so and yeah, please feel free to pick up your sides or swap the sides according to your story. Okay, so cards are already jumping out. Anyway, so let's get started, Scorpios. Let's see what's there for Scorpios. It's taking the time. Let me anyway. I'll just wait a second. Okay. So Scorpios, wow, it took some time, but then you have a beautiful card. The Four of Wands on your side, Scorpios. Let's see what's there on your person's side. Okay. Lovers, wow. Cards are coming out with a little bit difficulty, but then they are beautiful. Let's see the most likely outcome in this scenario. There were two cards, that's why I've kept them back. I just want to take one card. Okay. The Knight of Swords. So it's beautiful as far as these three cards are concerned. You have the Four of Wands. So you are in a pretty committed relationship, very happy about it, and with the Lovers card I'm reading them simultaneously. So both of you are in a very divine connection, you should say, a balanced, a transparent, a very beautiful. It is a beautiful connection. Okay. So and both of you are clearly very happy in this connection. Okay. And over here with the Knight of Swords is the most likely outcome. It is that this person is very very passionate about you. They are just rushing to meet you, or they are rushing towards you. So they are very very emotional, very happy with you as far as these three cards are concerned. So they have a lot of feelings. They just want to rush in towards you. Okay. So these are the feelings of the mutual outcome. Now let me see what's there behind the cards. Why is okay, so we have the Empress, wow, the Knight of Cups, and the Ten of Pentacles on your side, Scorpios. A beautiful reading as far as the cards have been pulled out. Let's see what's there on your person's side. The Five of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Hangman. Okay, let's see the most likely outcome. What's there behind this? Okay, we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, and the Six of Pentacles. Okay. So Scorpios, you are obviously in a pretty good connection, a beautiful connection, and with the Empress over here, it is a new beginning. Some sort of a new beginning is there here with the Knight of swords also as a mutual energy, this person is rushing towards you, as I said. Okay, so maybe you are a little separate as for now, staying separately for some reason, or maybe you posted at some other place, or maybe you are still not living together or married, but you are committed, maybe something like that. Okay, that is why. And over here you are looking forward for a new beginning with the Empress over here. Some of you may actually be becoming pregnant, or the female, some of you may be becoming pregnant, or maybe having a delivery, something of that sort. It can be there for some of you, but for others it is definitely coming off as a brand new beginning. It's something really really very new, about which you are very excited, and you are being feeling that sense of fulfillment and abundance here with the Knight of Cups and with the Ten of Pentacles. So definitely this new beginning is regarding it can be like maybe now the commitment is coming in, or maybe that marriage proposal is coming in, because here we have the family and the children. So maybe you are actually getting engaged or actually getting married, something like that, of that, or starting staying together. So it is a new beginning with this person, in which you are definitely going to plan at least for staying together, or a lifelong commitment type of a relationship. So that is the new beginning for you, and here that was the Four of Wands for you. Okay, so definitely a new beginning for a family life, that's what, in whatever way it is. And here on your person's side we have the Five of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Hangman. So definitely there is a new beginning on this side also, and this new beginning, what I am feeling here is, this new beginning is something which is very very deep rooted. Okay, so this is a connection which is, maybe it's there from some time, maybe few years or something like that, but it is deep rooted. Even if it is short lived, it has deep roots, it has strong bonds, and that is the new beginning in this relationship. And as far as these are concerned, maybe there is some sort of a, maybe this person has to with the Hangman, what I feel is there is a situation which is stopping this new beginning for some reason, or maybe stopping this person from meeting you. Some plans are hanged or stuck from the sort of manifestation of this new beginning, because of the fact that maybe there is some sort of confusion going on, or maybe some sort of disagreement going on, maybe with the family members or someone. I don't see it's with you. It can be for any reason. Maybe since you are planning to stay together, maybe they are just trying to sort things out. It can be that also. It's trying to make arrangements, sort of. Can be that, trying to make arrangements. Maybe that is the delay which is being happening for this new beginning. So there is some sort of a delay in the manifestation of this new beginning. Maybe this person is trying to sort out things, maybe trying to convince other people, their family members, or maybe trying to build a house, buy a house, whatever it is. Not build exactly, what I'm trying to say is to buy a house, or looking for a place to stay, something like that. So this delay is because for this there is a delay in this new beginning, and that delay is because of something which is going on, and it's not a huge deal, it's not a big deal, but yes, something is going on which is causing this delay, and that something is not very big. There can be some sort of a confusion as to how to go about. It can be this also. Maybe both of you are just planning to work things out together, and that is what the time is being taken in that making of a decision. It can be that also. Maybe maybe you're trying to, both of you are trying to work out on a situation as to where to live, how to proceed, whatever, something like that. So maybe that is, so there is some delay regarding this new beginning in that scenario. And as far as the Knight of Swords, as the mutual outcome is concerned, I've told you that this is them rushing towards you. So it's a mutual energy. So there's a lot of passion, a lot of positivity over here. Here with the Queen of Pentacles, we have the Six of Cups and the Six of Pentacles. So what I feel here is that maybe this is reconciliation. So maybe you are now planning to stay together, something like that. Maybe you were, for some reason, as I said, maybe this person is now moving, was posted somewhere else, was staying somewhere else, and now they are coming in to stay with you. And this is a connection which I said has been there from some time, and that's what is coming over here also. So there are happy moments which you are sharing. You are feeling that sense of nostalgia, I should say. And here with the Queen of Pentacles, you're sitting pretty, I should say, pretty cool and comfortable, and very happy in your, I should say, in your energy. You're very convinced, very happy in your, and very comfortable in your energy, since you have achieved this new beginning over here. And this with the Six of Pentacles is, it looks like some, to me here, it in your scenario, it's looking like as if it's, both of you are working together, equal give and take, a balanced sort of a relationship over here. Both of you are managing it wisely and in a very balanced way. It's something like that. Okay, so it's a very beautiful, beautiful energy over here. Let me see what is the guidance from the universe for Scorpios. Number 22 or number 4 may be of some significance for you. Today's date, maybe that is, has some significance for you. Maybe this reading and it's coming out today has some significance for you. Maybe today they are coming to propose you, something like that. Heart of the matter, there is more going on than meets the eye. So maybe if there is some delay, whatever the delay is about, so maybe if you don't have to be puzzled, you don't have to be confused, you don't have to doubt anything, you just have to understand that there are many other things which are going on when you are planning such a big thing in your life. It is a major event of your life. So when you're planning certain things, there should not be any space for any misunderstanding or anything like that. You should understand there are many other things which are going on, and that is why the delay may be on their part. If you don't have to doubt their intentions or anything like that. You should just understand there are many other things going on. So just go to the heart of the matter. Okay, so whatever is seen to the eyes definitely may not be true. Okay, definitely may not be everything, rather. Okay, may not give you a clearer picture. Okay, so Scorpios, that's all I have for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.